Going on, everybody? So your girl has another video for you today. Oh my god, excuse me. It is early in the morning. It is 5:59 in the morning. You might be saying, girl, why are you up so early in the morning? Because I need to get started on my hair. um I'm going to be doing some crochet here, and as you can see, um I have to braid my hair. And that is going to take me some time to braid my own hair. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on that. And then once I am done braiding my hair, then I'll come back on. Oh, before I go, I am by no means an expert at this. This is like, I want to say my third time doing crochet braids. And my braiding is okay, but it's not all that. I'm not fancy with the pattern, so you're just gonna get a braid back going back. But you know, it works for me. The hair hold up. So just want to put that out there. I'm not an expert. This channel, and I think I explained this before, is for those people who are new to stuff. You know what I'm saying? And this is my journey, as far as, you know, trying different things and becoming an expert at it. A lot of people, when they come on and do their videos, not knocking them, you know, everything just come out perfect, you know, when they do it. Me, on the other hand, I'm going to go ahead and record myself doing something that I'm not good at until I do get good at it, if that makes sense to you. So don't come at me telling me I'm doing something wrong. If you have a positive feedback or suggestions as to what it is I can do to improve what I'm doing, then that's something different. But don't come at me sideways. I'm not an expert. All right, so let me go ahead and tackle his head. Once again, now it's 6:01. Let's see what time I come back on. Okay, y'all, I am finally done. Let's check the time. Oh my gosh, the time is now 8:19. And this is what I did. I don't know, like, what it looks like, but hey, y'all, I think I sliced up my fingers, my hair. My hair sliced my fingers, y'all. Oh my gosh. That was like the hardest thing to do. But finally got it done. Nothing fancy. Braided going back. All right, so here's the hair that I'm going to use. This is the first time I'm using this brand. I've always, anytime I did my crochet, I've always done the whatchamacallit, free tress. Free tress, that's what it is. But I'm using the Harlem 125 Kima braid, and this is Ripple Deep 20. So I got 4 packs. So this is a 1. I got 2 ones and 2 1B 30. I don't know if I'm gonna use all 4 packs, depending on what the hair is looking like as I put it in. I'm gonna start from the front and then work my way to the back. Oh, I forgot the crochet needle. 1 second. Okay, so got my crochet needle. All right, so let's see now. It's 8:22. I'm getting so sleepy, y'all. I'm getting so sleepy. All right, so I haven't decided if I wanted to do the 1 B 30 in the front, like right here. Maybe like 1, 2, 3. Maybe like from right here to here. Do the 1B. And then on this side, I'll do the 1. And then the back, I'll do the 1. I don't know yet. So, you know what? I'm going to do the 1B30 first. Okay. How am I going to do this? Oh, gosh, I'm so sleepy. I knew this was going to happen. I don't know why I got up. Well, I did get up early because today is my wedding anniversary. Not doing anything today, but it's my wedding anniversary, and I wanted to get up and start my hair because I have so much things I want to do. Like after I do my hair, I need to run to Walmart real quick to get some stuff, and then I'm gonna make some fish and food. I might record me making that. Make dinner for us. So, and what else I said I wanted to do? I wanted to go get my eyebrows done, but I don't know. I don't know how long this is gonna take me to do. Like I said, I'm tired. I'm sleepy. So my energy level has gone down. So we'll see how fast I get this done. Oh, this thing. All right, so first impression with the hair. Oh, damn, I'm cutting the hair. First impression with the hair is matte. It has that yucky texture feel to it. So this is what it looks like. All right, let me. Oh, it already has the hoop stuff. So this is what it's looking like when I took it out. So it already has like the hoop, easy install. But I think for the front, I'm gonna do them small, right? And then as I work my way to the back, I'll go ahead and make them big. So let me get started with it and then I'll come back, all right? All right, guys, so I did one row already. So what I'm gonna do is install the black on the sides in the first 3 rows, and then the 6 that's up here, I'm going to install the mixture of the color and stuff like that. So what I'm doing is I'm using, so this is pretty thick. So what I'm doing is just splitting it, not too much because I don't mind if the sides are thick. I will make this smaller, real small, like take out small sections to install on the front. But since I'm doing the sides, I can do like half of this. So I'm just gonna, and y'all, let me tell you, like I said, and I'm gonna keep saying this, I am not an expert. I'm just going off how I feel, you know, and stuff like that. So let's see, start back here. You push the hook through your hair, and you catch it. Ooh, catch it in here. Can you guys see that? Clamp it, bring it through. Now some people like put knots and stuff. I just loop it a couple of times, probably 2 or 3 times. And that's it. Like, it's not that serious to me. Draw it, boom. Well, there you go. There you go. And it's pretty long. And it's a good length for me. I'm short, you know, so it's a good length. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and continue doing all of this and I'll come back. Alright guys, I'm making progress. I'm really loving this hair. Like, look at this. I'm really, really, really loving it. But I'm having a hard time doing this side. Like, I feel so, I don't know, weird, awkward doing this side. Let me know down below. Comment down below. Is there a certain way, like say when you're doing the sides, how you should put the crochet needle in? Because I've been doing, this is how I do it. On each side, I do it going up. I don't do it going down. Is there a difference? Because right now, this is how I'm doing it. Doing my right side is going to take me longer than it did for me to do my left side. Because, like I said, I have no coordination when it comes to the right side when I'm doing my hair. None whatsoever. So it takes me a little longer to do that side. So I'm just splitting the hair in 3 to do my sides. And then once I get to the top part, they're going to be smaller. Or maybe not. I don't know. We'll see how that goes. But yeah. So I don't like braiding my hair because it just feel like something pop up my hair. My hair is popping, you know? So I don't do this often. As far as attaching the hair to my hair, I usually make a wig, but for some reason I wanted to do, you know, attach it to my hair. But that was a big one. Look at that. I'm really loving the hair. It's nice and soft, but it has the yucky texture. It doesn't have that shiny synthetic look. Yes. All right, let me get back to concentrating. See you when I'm done. What's up, y'all? I am finally done. The time is now 11:26. I had to take like a 5-minute here and there because my arms were hurting me. But y'all, I'm done. This is the final. It's not bad. That's the final. You can see. If you only knew what was going on under this. Like, if you only knew. I didn't sew no hair up in the back. Let me show y'all. I'm gonna keep it real on this. Look at this. That's what I did. You guys see that? That's what I did. I was like, bump that. You know, it's not going to show because the hair is long. Even if I want to put it in a pony, I could put it in a, you know, senior pony. But your girl wasn't going through all that trouble. And this hair is going to stay in for a month. I went through too much trouble to install this. So I only end up using 2.5 pack. So I still have this left, and this is what, stepfather to one be. So yeah, y'all. Now I wasn't gonna put on no makeup because I'm not a makeup chick. I don't I don't do makeup, you know, to give you that. You know how they be doing that. Just wanted to show you guys the outcome. I love this hair. Like this is gonna be my go-to hair for now on when I'm doing my crochet braids. It's nice and soft, but it has that yucky feel to it, and it's not that shiny. Like, and it's lightweight. I'm loving it. Watch my haul. Not my shirt. Not mine it. But yeah. All right. So I think I'm going to take a nap. Maybe not. I'm gonna get ready to go to Walmart because I have to get some stuff from Walmart. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this mess of a video. But you know, this is how I do things. If I'm gonna do something with hair or whatever, you're getting it raw and uncut. You know, might be perfect, might not be perfect, but this is what you're gonna get on this channel. All right. I did grease my scalp, and now I realize I did braid my hair tight. It didn't feel like that when I was braiding it. Oh my gosh, I got a headache. But anyway, take off my bubblegum shirt and put on something decent, go to Walmart, come home and cook. But anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully I don't know what you can get from this entertainment, but I hope you guys like the outcome. If you have any tips for me as far as the direction I'm supposed to do the needle when I'm adding the crochet braids, let me know. I don't know if this is okay. The part is too broad for me. Like I've always wanted it to be like, you know, something like that. But yeah, any suggestions, I am happy to accept them. Leave them down below. So you know what to do if you haven't already done this. Go ahead and hit the subscription button and click the notification bell so you won't miss the next video. Bye.